Hello guys, welcome back, and in today's video we have the new Tecno Camon 40 Pro which is locked. Let me show you how you can remove this lock from your Tecno Camon 40 Pro, or how you can hard reset this device. For that, first you have to power off your phone. Then you guys have to press and hold the power and volume up keys simultaneously. Power and volume up keys. Now as soon as the Tecno logo appear, release the power key but keep holding on to the volume up key until the no command page appears. Now press again the power and volume up key for the recovery menu. Now when you guys gets into the recovery menu, you have to use the volume keys to move the option, and then use power key to select an option. Select wipe data and then select factory data reset, and this will delete all the data on your phone. Remember that by doing so, this will completely delete all the data on your phone. Now as you can see that the data wipe has been completed. Then after that, select reboot system now, and after the reboot your phone will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. Now after the start page comes, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing this setup, you guys will be able to use your phone again, while the pattern or password that was set up previously now has been removed.